Ready, start. The power of women is visible in the Indian Army. Stop. Like men, women are also showing their abilities in the army. Stop. The latest example of this is that in the press briefing of Operation Sindoor recently conducted by the army, two women officers of the army gave information related to the war, which has been an important step. Stop. Colonel Sofia Qureshi and Wing Commander Yomika Singh, along with Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, presented the picture of India's might to the whole world by holding a press conference and told how and what action India took through Operation Sindoor. Stop. Both the women officers of the army provided fresh information to the country and the world through press conferences every day about the military action and showed that women power in India is no less than anyone else. Stop. Women are flying fighter planes. Stop. So they seem ready to play every kind of role in the battlefield. Stop. The history of women's participation in the Indian armed forces has been full of long struggles and changes. Stop. Since the time of the freedom struggle, women have been indirectly contributing to the security and service of India. Stop. But the way for their formal appointment in the army opened much later. Stop. The Rani Jhansi Regiment, formed in the year 1943, was a part of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's Azad Hind Fauj. Stop. This was the first time when women were actively seen on the war front. Stop. Even after independence, women in the armed forces were confined to supporting roles for a long time. Stop. Regarding the number of women in the three armies of India, that is Army, Navy, Air Force, in August 2023, Union Minister of State for Defense told the Parliament that 1,1414 women are serving in the three armies. Stop. 7,054 women are serving in the army service. Stop. Among these, 1,733 are women serving in the army service. Stop. Among these, 1,733 are women officers. Stop. This figure is till January 1, 2023. Stop. 1,654 women are serving in the Indian Air Service, while 155 women are serving as airmen. Stop. 580 women are serving as officers in the Indian Navy, while 727 women are posted as sailors. Stop. Similarly, 1,212 women are working in the Army Medical Corps of the Indian Army. Stop, 160 women in Army Dental Corps and 3,841 women in Military Nursing Service. Stop. 151 women are serving in the medical corps of the Navy, 10 women in dental work and 380 women in the military nursing service. Stop. 274 women are serving in the medical corps of the Indian Air Service, 5 women in the dental corps and 425 women in the military nursing service. Stop. Earlier, women were taken only in short service commission. Stop. But after the order of the Supreme Court in February 2020, women have started getting permanent commission in the army. Stop. Now girls are selected for 10% of the total seats of NDA, and that too by competing in open competition. Stop. Minister of State for Defense Sanjay Seth had told the Parliament in March 2025 that since the entry of the first batch of women cadets in 2022, 126 women have got admission in NDA till now. Stop. after joining the armed forces, opportunities are equal for them to stop. Their career progress will be the same as that of boys stop. Service routes are the same stop. Now we can say with pride that there has been complete gender neutralization in our army stop. Under the Short Service Commission, women can serve only for 10 or 14 years. Stop. After this, they retire. Stop. But now they will also get a chance to apply for permanent commission. Stop. With this, they will be able to continue their services in the army and retire according to the rank. Stop. Along with this, they will also get pension and all allowances stop. In 1992, the first batch of women was recruited in Short Service Commission for 5 years. Stop. After this, the period of this service has extended to 10 years. Stop. In 2006, the Short Service Commission was made 14 years. Stop. The Indian Army now encourages women by implementing the policies set for them for appointment in the armed forces. Stop. For this, permanent commission has been approved for women for Army Medical Corps, Army Dental Corps and Military Nursing Services. Stop. Now women officers get permanent commission in 11 arms and services. Stop. These include Army Service Corps, Army Ordnance Corps, Army Education Corps, Judge Advocate General Branch, Engineer Corps, Signal Corps, Electronics and Mechanical Corps, Intelligence Corps, Army Air Defense, Army Aviation, Remount and Veterinary Corps, etc. Stop. After the permanent commission, women officers have started becoming part of artillery, one of the most important branches of the Indian Army. Stop. There is no difference in the deployment of male and female soldiers for weapons and services. Stop. Everyone is posted according to the needs of the army. Stop. A gender neutral career progression policy was introduced on 23rd November 2021 for permanent commission to women officers in the Indian Army. Stop. Through this, women have been provided equal opportunities in arms and other services. Stop. Over.